Hello, welcome to Learn English Easily. Do you understand English sometimes? But when you speak, words disappear. You stop in the middle of sentences. Your pronunciation is not clear enough. This episode is perfect for you. Today, I will teach fast methods. You will speak English clearly soon. Part 1. Fluency and Pronunciation. Fluency means speaking without stopping. Pronunciation means people can understand you. You do not need perfect English. You do not need native speaker sounds. You only need daily practice. Daily practice is the secret key. Many learners focus on grammar only. They read a lot every single day. They watch videos but do not speak. But English is a physical skill. Your tongue moves in new ways. Your lips move in new ways too. Your ears need to hear carefully. Without this practice, progress is slow. Part 2. Fast method. The fastest method is very simple. It is listen, repeat, speak daily. Step 1 is active listening practice. Choose short audio clips for practice. 1 or 2 sentences is enough. Listen carefully, do not rush anything.
Focus on rhythm, stress, and sounds.
Notice how words connect together naturally. For example, native speakers say, "What are you doing?" quickly and smoothly. Not, "What are you doing?" slowly. Listening carefully trains your ears fast. Step 2. Conscious repetition. Repeat sentences after the speaker immediately. Do not repeat like a robot. Repeat like an actor copying lines carefully. Copy the tone, speed, and emotion. Your mouth may feel strange at first. This discomfort shows your brain is learning. Power tip: record yourself during practice. Listen and compare with original audio clips. Notice small differences in your pronunciation. This step improves clarity very quickly. Step 3. Speak daily. Fluency comes only from speaking daily, even if you are practicing alone. Talk about your day. Describe surroundings. Explain what you do or think clearly. Example: I am making coffee now. The weather is sunny and warm today. I will finish my work quickly today. Small daily sentences build strong English thinking. Thinking in English grows your fluency naturally. Part 3. Shadowing technique. Shadowing is an advanced speaking method. Listen and speak at the same time. Do not wait for pauses at all. Follow the speaker immediately without stopping. It feels difficult during first attempts. Your brain may feel overloaded or tired, but this trains your reaction speed strongly. After a few weeks, you will notice improvement. Your sentences will flow smoother naturally. You will stop translating in your mind. Part 4. Mindset for fluency. Do not wait to feel perfect. Mistakes are your best teachers always. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Speak loudly when practicing at home. Talk to yourself with strong confidence. Your brain and mouth will adapt quickly. Confidence grows from action, not waiting. The more you practice daily, the better. Here is a simple daily routine. 5 minutes, listen carefully and fully. 5 minutes, repeat and shadow sentences. 5 minutes, speak freely about your day. Do this routine every single day. Do not wait 1 week only. Consistency beats intensity in language learning. Record yourself once per week, progress check. Notice improvement in pronunciation and fluency. Celebrate small victories for motivation boost daily. Part 6. Motivation and closing. Imagine the moment you answer questions.
Someone speaks in English to you. You respond instantly, with no hesitation. Your words flow smoothly and naturally. You feel proud and confident immediately. Remember these simple steps for success. Listen actively, repeat consciously, speak daily, and always stay consistent with practice. Start today, not tomorrow. Begin now. Your future fluent self is waiting for you. Thank you for listening to Learn English Easily. See you in the next episode soon.